Give us today our daily bread. Matthew chapter 6 verse 10. What a big insult to God if we think or understand this verse as a prayer of petition, asking God to provide us what we need every day, because God is a great provider, generous provider. He provides us everything that we need every day without asking for it. So this verse must be a statement of fact that God is a generous provider. So this line is a prayer of adoration. We are praising God for providing us everything that we need, and that is what we should do every day, every moment of our life. Praise God, thank God for providing us what we need.